Introduction to programming. Who is programmer? A programmer is a person who writes and tests computer programs. They use programming languages like Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript to create software, websites, apps, games, or tools that computers can understand and execute. In simple terms, a programmer gives instructions to a computer to perform specific tasks. Other names: coder, software developer, software engineer in a broader role, developer. What is computer programming? Computer programming is the process of writing instructions code that a computer can understand to perform specific tasks. Other names: coding, software development, programming, writing code, application development. Programming environment. A programming environment is a setup or collection of tools that help programmers write, test, and debug their code. Main components: text editor IDE, e.g., VS Code, PyCharm. Compiler interpreter, e.g., GCC, Python. Debugger to find and fix errors. Terminal console for running commands. Libraries, frameworks for added functionality. Types: local environment installed on your computer. Online environment like Replit, CodePen. What is IDE? Definition: an IDE is a software application that provides all the tools a programmer needs in one place to write, test, and debug code. Common features: code editor to write code, compiler interpreter to run code, debugger to find and fix errors. Syntax highlighting, auto-completion. Examples: Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Eclipse, NetBeans, Dev C++, Turbo C++. Compiler and interpreter. Compiler. A compiler is a special program that translates code written in a high-level programming language, like C or Java, into machine code binary that a computer can understand and execute. Interpreter. An interpreter is a program that reads and executes code line by line, instead of compiling the whole program at once. How compiler work? A compiler translates the entire source code into machine code before execution. It checks for errors, and if none are found, it creates an executable file that can run independently. What is syntax? Syntax in programming refers to the set of rules that define how code must be written in a particular programming language. Keywords: reserve words. Keywords in C are reserved words that have special meaning and cannot be used as variable names. Common C keywords: int defines an integer variable, float defines a floating point variable, if, else, for decision making, while, for loops, return exits a function and returns a value, void indicates no return type, char defines a character variable. Small diamond C has 32 keywords in total. They form the building blocks of C programs. Comments. Comments in C are notes written in the code to explain it. They are ignored by the compiler and don't affect program execution. Small diamond types of comments in C. 1. Single-line comment. Starts with 2. Multi-line comment. Enclosed between asterisk and. Variable and constant. Variable. A variable is a named storage used to hold data that can change during program execution. Example in C. Int age equals 25. Age equals 30. Value changed. Constant. A constant holds a value that does not change during the program. Example in C. Const float pi equals 3.14. Thank you.